Here's for everyone who is or who are using Converge fiber connection for their internet. You'd be able to change your Wi-Fi password by accessing the interface. The address is simply 192.168.1.1, just like any other or most of the routers. And the login is simply admin. Now, in case that doesn't work, there are other possible options here. You can just go to Converge's website and try any of the other options. Once you're inside, just go to Network, Advanced, and you'd be able to change your router password here and even change the SSID or the name of your Wi-Fi as it shows when you try to connect. The technician who had helped you set up everything may have already helped you with this, but in case you would like to change this again, just go to this page. The default is actually at the back of the router itself. You just have to flip it over, and the password would be there. And once it's changed, like I said, the technician may have helped you already. You can always keep coming back to this page to change it again for security purposes, of course, and for any other reasons you would like. There you go. Thank you.